What's good, YouTube? We back with another one here. Just a nice POV drive. Thought it's a nice day out, a good time. Thought it won't be too much people on the road, so thought I could get a good drive in. So just wanted to just take the car out. I need to put some gas in it too for later. So I was like, let me just burn what's in here, and then on the way back home, I'll stop at the gas station. Maybe not the one I like, but stop at a Mobile. But I want to say I appreciate all the views and all the subscribers, all of that on the channel, the comments. I appreciate the support the channel's getting. It means a lot, so it's motivating too. So we're gonna try to keep it, keep it consistent with the POVs and whatnot, and the videos coming out. So that's what we're gonna do. So we can just only hope that nobody slow gets in front of us. That's all. Catch up to this guy too quick. I really hope he turns right up here, coming up. It'd be nice if this was 2 lanes. Oh, he's turning right. Let's go. Let's go. Usually kids out here at this time, and the state police are right up here, so gotta be a little careful before we start, you know what I mean? Be nice in the neighborhood. The law-abiding citizen, this channel is all about safe. You see, you put the seatbelt on all the time. All about being safe, whatnot. Always being safe, 100%. Stadies right here. Never been that way. I don't know what's there. Maybe a video will go that way. I'm sure it's not as much as this though, just looking at the map. Love 3rd and 4th gear. Oh my gosh. Yo, when I get that Tome on this road, oh my goodness. who's going on that road. I think I might turn around, come back this way. Saw a dude in a bicycle, 2 cars trailing there. I think I might as well turn around and do another lap. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think about this video. Like, comment down below. You guys like this? Try to get that guy some time up there. Caught up the buddy. But man, this car pulls for sure. This is just, dry roads. It's a great day. It's 82 degrees outside, so it's pretty hot. The car is, it's just performing really, man. Like, these do have some pretty good tires on it, so it's to be expected to handle pretty well. But man, I think I want to say they're all season. I don't know. They feel really good though. So they very much could be summer sports on here. I don't know, because it's whatever came with the car, But damn, I would turn around if I could right here. Quick U-turn. I want to see where these guys are going. If they don't go back, maybe we'll do another lap. Slow pokes coming. I think we're about the 10-minute mark, so I think we'll end this one here. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you guys like this, hope the quality was pretty well. You guys got to see some of the driving. I hope it's pretty good, because but yeah, if you guys like this, let me know down below. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Very much appreciate it. The channel is growing. I think we're at about 410 or so right now, 412 or about that range. So appreciate everyone who subscribed to the channel. More things to come. Gonna be doing, I believe, 5 things that I don't like about the car first. I think I'm gonna do that video, and in that video I think I'll wash the car, and while I'm washing it, I guess I'll talk about 5 things that I don't like about it and wash the car at the same time. So look out for that. That's coming soon. That was my fiance. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace.